Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are good. Now today we are going to start the science of class 3rd, the chapter number 2, human body. In this chapter we are discussing about our body topic, respiratory systems, air pollution, body organs and breathing. Okay, let's start. First we are discussing about our body. You know students, our body has different parts that do different functions. Some parts are outside the body that we can see, okay, whereas other are inside the body that we cannot see. Let us discuss about our body. Our body is like a machine. It is made up of different parts that help us to perform different functions. They help us to see, think, smell, run, hold, throw and breathe. The body parts such as hands, brain, legs, stomach, etc. work together for our body. Okay. Also, we have 5 sense organs such as eyes, nose, tongue, skin, ears. All these bodies are called, this sense organs is called organs. Okay. Now, this is the structure of human body. The different parts of the body is doing the function is different. Like parts is brain, heart, lungs, stomach, pancreas, kidney, large intestine, small intestine, liver and gallbladder. Okay, this is the structure of human organs. Now body organs. An organ is a part of the body which performs a particular functions. Okay, our body consists of many organs. Some organs of our body can be easily seen. Okay, such as hands, nose, legs, eyes, ears, etc. These are called external organs. Okay, so students, let me repeat it. Hands, nose, legs, eyes, ears, these parts are called external organs. Understood? Some other parts such as, like stomach, brain, liver and heart are present inside our body. That means वो बॉडी के इनसाइड में रहते हैं तो एंड कैन नॉट बी सीन. ओके, हम देख नहीं सकते. तो दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. ओके, outside the body is called can be seen easily. This part is called external organs, and inside the body we cannot see. Cannot be seen. This part is called internal organs. Okay, now next let us about some important internal organs. Okay, here is brain. Do you know how we remember things and how we solve problems? Our brain help us that think, remember, solve problem, etc. It is placed inside our head. Okay, those are parts that we have to use in thinking, remembering problems. Okay, this place inside our head. It is protected by the skull. Okay, it's protected by the skull, and skull is the top part of our body. Is that clear? It is the master organs of our body. It controls every functions. Okay, my skull is control every functions of our body such as movement, breathing, heartbeats, etc. Okay, this part is called a brain, and brain is the top parts of our body. Now here next is heart. Heart is also an important organ of our body. It is muscular organ having 4 chambers. Okay, heart it has 4 chambers. It is situated in the center of our chest, slightly towards left side. It is located on the left side. Okay, it is enclosed by the rib cage. Okay, the heart of a normal adult person beats how many times? 72 times per minute on average. The rate at which the heartbeat is called pulse rate. Okay, so heartbeat rate is called a pulse rate. Doctor use the stethoscope to hear the heartbeat. Okay, now the functions of the heart is to pump the blood to every part of the body. That is the functions of the heart. Now next part is lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy structures. Spongy means soft structure. Okay, present on either sides of our chest. They are protected by the rib cage. The major functions of the lung is to help in breathing. They expand when we breathe in and contract when we breathe out. Is that clear? That is the functions of lungs. Now next is stomach. Do you know where the food goes when we eat? When we eat food, it passes to stomach through food pipe. Okay, that means we are eating the food that passes the stomach through the pipe. Okay, this pipe is called the esophagus. Is that clear? Stomach is pear shaped muscular organs located below the ribs. The food we eat is broken down into simpler substance by the stomach. Okay, also this food particles get mixed with some digestive juices, okay, produced inside the stomach. Thus it helps in the digestion of process. So this process is called the digestion process. Okay, that's the structure of stomach. Okay, that detoxifies the blood. Also, no, next, now continuing this part, sorry. Liver is a reddish brown organ located on the right side of the stomach. Okay, that is this is the liver structure. The color, it has reddish color. Okay, that is located on the right side of the stomach. Okay, here this is our stomach, and liver is located on the right side part. Okay, it is the largest internal organs of our body. Okay, liver is the largest internal organs of our body. These points are very important. It filters and detoxifies the blood. Also it helps in the digestion process. Okay, this help in digestion process, liver. Now next is kidneys. Kidneys are a pair of bean shaped organs. That is a kidney structure. That is a pair of, this structure is called a bean shaped structure. Okay, located on either sides of the backbone. Okay, this is back side is called a backbone. The kidney is located on the either sides of the backbone. They help in removing waste from our body. Okay, this is the function, is waste product removed from our body. That is the functions of kidney. Okay, now we know that all living things breathe. The organs that help in breathing are nose, windpipe and lungs. Together they form our respiratory system. Let us discuss about each part in details. Okay, next topic is respiratory system. We are discussing about next video. Okay, till then keep learning. Thank you.